This video explains the scripts option, which allows you to install fonts and plugins into HearForm Pro. It's important that you install the necessary fonts and plugins in order to be able to display audiograms correctly and to create documents for electronic billing and document folders and some other things like that. So we can help you with this process, but you can also very easily install fonts and plugins yourself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the scripts menu and script number 23, and when I click that, it takes just a minute and then says that the audiogram and Z Dingbat font has been saved to my desktop. I can right click each font and select install. FileMaker needs to be restarted to load the fonts. In other words, once you install the fonts by right clicking each font on your desktop, then you still need to close and reopen not just HearForm but FileMaker itself, which is what HearForm runs on top of. The plugin should be installed automatically. Let's take a quick look under Edit Preferences, and under the fourth tab called Plugins. The plugins should be installed automatically here, and there are occasions that if you already, for example, have a Troy file plugin and you try to install a new one, if you're upgrading and we haven't helped you, then you may get an error saying that it could not be initialized. So we may have to help you with that if you're a previous HearForm customer and need to add an updated Troy file plugin, or in some cases an updated XM Chart audiogram plugin. But it's real simple to do. Once you have those plugins and fonts installed, you'll be able to perform the full functions of HearForm Pro.